I welcome you all in the next video tutorial of pharmacy practice. So dear all, in this video we are going to cover a simple topic of hospital and its classification. So learning objectives are mentioned. So after watching this video, you will be able to know about the hospital, its definition, and of course the classification of hospitals. So first of all, the word hospital originates from the Latin word hopes, which means a stranger or a guest. If we talk about the classification now, so we can generally classify hospital in different categories. So before proceeding to the classification, let us discuss the definition first. As you can see, as per WHO Expert Committee report of 1956, hospital is an essential part of social and medical organization which is able to provide the services for the complete healthcare facilities and which include, of course, the curative and the preventive measures. And as per this report of WHO Expert Committee of 1963, hospital is defined as a residential establishment which strives to provide the short-term and the long-term medical care facilities comprising of diagnostic, therapeutic and rehabilitation services for the suspected patient who are suffering from disease or injury. And sometimes such hospitals may or may not be able to provide the services for the ambulatory patient or an outside patient. Don't worry, we will do this concept of ambulatory patient care services in the later part of the video also. So let's now talk about the classification of hospitals. So generally, we can classify hospital in different categories. So here we have mentioned the 4 ways of classifying hospital. Number 1 is the general classification. Second is on the basis of clinical and non-clinical basis. Third is based on the level of care. Fourth one is as per WHO. So we will focus on the each and every aspect of this classification. Number 1 is the general classification. So this is the general classification of hospitals. Number 1 is objectives. Based on the objective, based upon the administration, length of stay, medical staff, type of care they are providing, bed capacity, system of medicine, region dependent, teaching affiliation, and as per WHO. Second is the clinical and non-clinical basis. The hospital can be classified into different categories like general, special, teaching cum research, government or public, corporate, private, short stay, long stay, voluntary, semi-government, open staff hospital or closed staff hospitals. On the basis of level of care, we can classify into 3 categories: primary, secondary and tertiary care. As per WHO, again 3 categories are there: regional, intermediate and rural. And we will focus upon these classification one by one. So let's start the first classification, that is based upon the general classification objectives. Here in classification based upon the objectives, hospitals can be classified into general hospitals, we have special hospitals and teaching cum research hospitals. If we talk about the administration, we have government hospital, non-government, that is the private hospital, semi-government, and of course some voluntary agencies are there. If we talk about the length of stay, so we have short stay hospitals and the long stay hospitals. And generally short stay hospitals are also termed short-term hospital and which have capacity to accommodate and provide the services for less than 30 days. And what are the long stay, which provide services for more than, which have capability or capacity to accommodate the patient for more than 30 days. So these are long stay hospitals. Second is the medical staff. We have open staff hospitals and the closed staff hospitals. We will do this in the later part of this video. We have bed capacity. So as per bed capacity, we have classified the hospital in 3 categories. Number 1, small hospital, medium hospital and large hospitals. So what are small hospitals? Which provide up to, which have 100 bed capacity. Medium hospital more than 100, less than 300 bed capacity, and if we have more than 300 bed capacity, it include under the large hospitals. We have 3 level of care, that is the primary, secondary and tertiary. We have teaching affiliation like teaching hospitals, some are non-teaching hospitals. We have system of medicine like allopathy, Ayurvedic, homeopathic and Unani hospitals. We have region specific hospitals are also there like the regional, Upzila Health Complex, district hospital, community clinics, of course the union health and family welfare centers are there. As per WHO, we have regional, intermediate and rural. So we will do this one by one. So first one is the general hospital. So what are general hospitals? So purpose of general hospital meant to provide wide range of categories of different healthcare facilities in limited number. So the general hospitals provide the healthcare services to various kind of diseases for both the sexes to cover all the ages. Like we have different departments in general hospitals like ENT, general medicine, surgery, pediatrics, obstetrics, gynecology, etc. And what are these special hospital? Suppose कोई hospital एक special disease के लिए ही उसको target कर रहा है, जहां पे सिर्फ कैंसर के ही ट्रीटमेंट हो तो कैंसर स्पेशल हॉस्पिटल के कैटेगरी में आ जाएगा. जहां पे सिर्फ गायनोकोलॉजी की गायनी से रिलेटेड ही चीजें डील कर रहे हो वो स्पेशल हॉस्पिटल में आ जाएगा. जहां सिर्फ ऑर्थोपेडिक्स का ही काम हो रहा हो वही पेशेंट वहां पे देखे जाए, वो ऑर्थोपेडिक्स में आ जाएगा. तो वी आर स्पेशल हॉस्पिटल, दे आर मेंट फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन. We have teaching come research hospitals also there, like PGI, MER, like AIMS. So these are teaching come research hospitals. Government hospital, these are bilkul, they are controlled and owned by the government. We have private hospital, these are controlled by the private organization. And what are the semi-government hospitals? So these are different type of hospital, they are run by both government and private entity. We have corporate hospital, they are different companies. They have owned different hospital, like for example Apollo Hospital, Apollo Tire Company is there. It is a hospital owned by this company. So it is a corporate hospital, just like you can say Reliance Hospital or something else like that. Voluntary agency, they work on the charitable trust and non-profitable basis. Now this is very important. Short stay hospital, so they provide less than 30 days, and long-term hospital we have discussed, we provide services for more than 30 days. What is this closed staff and open staff hospital? So what is this closed staff? In such type of hospital, the physicians are responsible for all the medical activities, including the diagnosis and treatment on fee-paying basis. And what is this open staff? In such hospitals, other physicians in the community having permission to admit the patient in the hospital and provide the treatment to them. मतलब क्लोज स्टाफ का मतलब, हॉस्पिटल का मतलब सिंपली यही है कि हम जो भी मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज है विद इन स्टाफ, विद इन हॉस्पिटल ही उसको प्रोवाइड करवाएगा, बाहर से कोई फिजिशियन नहीं आएगा. ओपन स्टाफ में ओपन रहेगा, बाहर का फिजिशियन या बाहर के फिजिशियंस आ सकते हैं और अपने पेशेंट को वहां पे एडमिट कर सकते हैं. ओपन स्टाफ रहेगा, ओपन फॉर ऑल. Next, classification based upon the level of care. We have primary, secondary, and tertiary level. So number one is the primary. So very important. So primary care hospital provides services from day-to-day healthcare facilities by the different practitioner. And in such hospital, healthcare provider act as the principal and the main point of contact for continuing the care of patient and may coordinate other specialists for the care of patient if desired. Example is given, Uppsala Health Complex. So secondary health care. So this type of hospital provide the first level of recommendation services which are more complicated and beyond the scope of capability of the primary care. Primary care में से ज्यादा, मान लीजिए आपको चोट लग गई, फर्स्ट एड करवाना है, प्राइमरी केयर में जाएंगे. अगर थोड़ा सीवियर केस है, हमें सेकेंडरी और टर्शियरी केयर की रिक्वायरमेंट पड़ेगी. मान लीजिए कोई कैंसर का पेशेंट आ गया, तो आपको सेकेंडरी केयर की तरफ ना जाके टर्शियरी केयर की तरफ जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि डिजीज स्पेसिफिक पेशेंट है. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर. As you can see, इसको पढ़ लेते हैं एक बार. Tertiary care hospital care, such level of hospital deals to provide highly specialized care services at regional or the center level hospital. And the examples are given: cancer hospital, chest hospital, infectious disease hospital, mental disease hospital. They are included under the tertiary care. और secondary care क्या थी? These type of hospital provide the first level recommendation services which are not complicated and which are more complicated. जो प्राइमरी के स्कोप में नहीं आएगा वो टर्शरी में आ जाएगा. जैसे एग्जांपल दे रखे, इंटरनल मेडिसिन हो गया, जनरल सर्जरी, ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स, गायनेकोलॉजी एंड पेडियाट्रिक्स. और अगर कोई स्पेशल केस है तो टर्शरी लेवल पे जाएगा. अगर WHO एक्सपर्ट कमेटी 1957 रिपोर्ट की बात करें तो इट क्लासिफाइड हॉस्पिटल इन 3 कैटेगरीज: रीजनल, इंटरमीडिएट और रूरल. व्हाट इज रीजनल हॉस्पिटल? इट प्रोवाइड कॉम्प्लेक्स range of treatment and highly specialized services. Example are given, government medical hospitals or the government colleges. That is intermediate services. District hospital typically is the major healthcare facility in its own locality. The district hospital come under the intermediate type of hospital. And what is the rural hospitals? These are the remote hospital with small number of beds and have limited service or capacity. So it should have 2200 bed. For example, Uppsala Health Center is there. So this is the classification of hospital that we have completed now. So we have completed general classification on the clinical and non-clinical basis based upon the level of care and per WHO. So we have completed the objective on the basis of objective, general classification, administration, length of stay, medical staff, bed capacity, type of care, of course the system of medicine, teaching affiliation, WHO. Clinical, on the basis of clinical, we have classified the different hospital. General hospital, there special hospitals are also there. General hospital examples we have completed. For example, general hospital provide the healthcare services to various kind of disease like ENT, surgery, etc., etc. Special hospitals are meant for special treatment like cancer, or the, you can say, cardiac patients are there, or oncology or diabetic patients are there. Teaching cum research hospital, for example, AIMS under the teaching cum research. Government owned by the government, private owned by the private, corporate. It has some charitable trust is there, semi government, both own करेंगे इसको, गवर्नमेंट प्राइवेट शेयर दोनों होगा. शॉर्ट स्टे और लॉन्ग स्टे की हमने बात की, जिसमें कि हमने टाइम पीरियड नोट करना है. दैट इज अप टू completed this point. 30 days period is there. Open staff or closed staff, voluntary. So I hope this is clear. Indian, I acknowledge all the sources that I have used to prepare this video. This is for educational purposes.